Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Taking a look at the pound dollar. This is the weekly open here. I'll just mark that up. Taking a look at this on the daily, it's having a go at this level here. And I mean, you can see a bit of an ascending triangle set up here. Let's just have a look at it on the 4 hour. So we have this at the moment, lower highs, and we've been retesting this level for a bit. We go down to here, we can see as well, grab the head and shoulders thing. Our head and shoulders tool, we've got this set up, something like that. This is giving me, I guess, more of an argument to look for an opportunity to short this. Anyway, I'll just clear all that at the moment. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking for an opportunity to short it. Just waiting on, if we go down to, say, a 30-minute chart. Okay, so we've had this spike up, serious market manipulation, like a fake out, and then we get this shakeout, and now starting to see a little bit of bearish pin bar candles here, telling me that this wants to trade lower. So just from a price action perspective, we've also come back into this level here. Right, it's bearish, trades back up into this previous range and looking to short. So the opportunity for me, I'm going to be looking for entry on the lower time frame. We're starting to see a bit of movement now. So let me just show you this. I'll go out of here and I want to show you this thing. I actually took a long tonight, but I've closed it. So I bought on this signal here, and I have this tool, Fib Retrace. Let's just grab this. What I do is when I see a signal like this, I'm waiting for the retest of the range from where it broke out, and I'm going to set it up like this. Pretty much every single one of these signals I'll set up like this, and I'm looking for 2/3 of my position right here at this 0.5 level, and then I pull the stop loss up so that it's in profit. So this one closed out. Yeah, I really don't think we're going to get any more out of this. I'll be waiting to see if we get a break, like if we see a break under here. I think that's going to be my cue when we get a short. But, we'll just see how it shapes up. I want to show you this. Just go back. Pretty high win rate with these. Breaks out. I'm looking for the retest. Previous range through here. Short it. I think there's a pretty high win rate with this. I think it's like 28 out of 30 or something like that with the pound dollar. And then we just trail with your stop loss. You just follow it down. Just follow this cloud. Stop loss, trailing stop loss. Guys, the link is below. Check out the playlist. It's my 5-minute strategy trading these. Look at this one. Every single one of these. I mean, you want to build an account. This is one strategy, right? So I mean, I've spent years and a lot of money having this developed, and look what it's giving me. So I invite you to check out the link below and join my Discord group. That's free signals in there if that's of interest. But look at these trades, specialized kind of a signal that only get it at the beginning of a break, a trend reversal. Look at them. Guys, if you want this, it's here, it's available. Look, break, retest of the high. There's your pullback here. Look at the trade. Which one of these would you not want? Pretty high win rate. I think it's 28 out of 30. I went back. Sometimes you're going to get market manipulation and it'll trigger the breakout signal. That's what it is. But it's not just the first breakout you get. Like, this is delayed, and tends to be the second breakout. That's generally what I'm looking for. There's a more directional conviction when you get that. So, I mean, it's a good result, and I mean, all I'm waiting on now is to see if this rolls over and gives me a signal. Simple as that. Okay, guys, with that, safe trading. See you in the next video.